And a lot of that starts with just discussions, right? Workshops. Really want to dig into pain points, really want to understand their frustrations first and foremost. It's almost kind of a therapy session, where I'm just like, tell me all your problems, tell me what's not working, whether it's on the fulfiller side or the requester, the employee side, whatever it is. Not that's not only valuable for me, but my other teammates as well that work on the project. So because they get a little bit of insight into workflows and other things that may affect their work stream. So I have, so the biggest thing is to dig into their pain points. And I also try my best to convey what the expectations are of my process and what they're going to get from me. And, I'm not going to solve every problem. I can't do everything, but I try to lay that foundation to help them understand um, the big benefits, right? And really how UX and UI can enhance out of box service now, right? Out of box service now is great, but it can be so much better, right? It's just that base level. So I try to, set those expectations early and just help them understand my world because often they don't. So I try to give them, those visuals and help them understand what I do and how important it is for their user populace and their employees.
Yeah.
It's not magic, right? It's method. It really is. There's no fairy dust or anything included. It's a proven, methodology used all over different industries.